Thank you for tuning into our channel. Today we're going to be replacing a oil temp sensor on a 2006 Lincoln Mark LT pickup. This is where it's at. It's going to be in the passenger side pan with a connector. If you take air and blow in this connector, clean all the dirt out of it, then it'd be easy to pull. What I normally do is push in, there's a little release, press release down, and then it comes out. After that, all you gotta do is take a 1 1/8 wrench and take it off. And then what I normally do is hurry up, pull that, have the new one sitting waiting, put my finger over the hole, hurry up and stick the other one in so we don't lose much oil. All right, this is with the new one in there. Got the old one out, new one put in. The new one's gonna be kind of tough to put in, and you just clean up all the excess oil that you spilt out a little bit. I may not even lost a quarter of a quart when I've done this. And make sure you clean the connector off. Now, all you gotta do is just plug it back in there. It only goes in there one way. Make sure it clicks in there. Pull on it, make sure it don't come out. Make sure you ain't got no leaks. All right, and that's how you replace the oil temp sensor on a 2006 Lincoln Mark LT pickup. All it is 1 1/8 wrench. Take it loose, put your finger over the hole, put the new one in, and done with it. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.